Tomatoes. Tomatoes. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? We are getting our tomatoes prepped because in 3 weeks I'm going to be making tomato bisque. So over here, what we have going on is I have this one-step formula. This is no rinse cleaner, sanitizer for all of my fermentation stuff. Meat or any fermentation, I like to clean all my stuff, get all the bad stuff out. So we've got our jar that we're going to be putting all the tomatoes in. We've got our lid. We got our seal for the lid. We have our airlock. We have our lid for the airlock. And I pulled out 4 weights just in case I need to use them. We are just going to rinse under cold water, our tomatoes. While those are rinsing, we are going to put our vessel on the scale. We're going to turn it on so that it zeroes out, and it is zeroed. Well, I'm going to get most of the water off of there. And I'm going to start going in. Reason that I'm scaling out the tomatoes is so that I can get how much salt we need to put in here. Okay, it does not look like we are going to need all of these. That is 1,750 grams right now. Let's see what 2 more does. So as these soften up, they will smush down a little more. We ended up with 2322 grams. 2,322 grams. So we need 2% of that, so we're going to take our fancy calculator here. This is going to take 46.44 grams of salt. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to reset this so it's back to 0. And I'm going to go on the top for 46.44. Well, I'm going to go for 47 grams. This doesn't give me the decimals. Okay, there we go. Now we are done with salt. We are going to fill this entire jar to the top with water. So I'm going to see how many weights I want to put on here. It's all right if you smush them down a little bit. Okay, and you do want it to overflow just a little bit if you can. All right, so 2 weights is going to be perfect. So I'm going to put my lid on here. Should compress those down. Now, what? Oh, you genius. Make sure you put your seal in. Your lid. Seal, lid. Place it in there. That was just a test fit. I wanted to make sure that that lid fit this jar. So, when you look down in here, everything should be under the water. You don't want anything above the water. So we do have salt down at the bottom. It's going to be fine. It'll all end up dissolving. But the critical thing is to keep everything below the water. If it's above the water, what happens? You get mold. We do not want mold. Why did I say that I needed sanitizer fluid? Because I need some sanitizer fluid to put in here. You can use water, you shouldn't use water. So I'm going to take this bowl right here. I'm going to take it right over here. I'm going to put some water in it. And this is 1 tablespoon per gallon. So I'm doing about half of it. It's all right if it's a little over. It's not going to hurt anything. You just don't want it to fall down inside of your container through your airlock, because then you're killing the good bacteria that we're trying to form. Just going to dip this down inside. Oh. And you got to make sure that it gets up. Look, I'm taking a tablespoon. I'm doing it. I do it my way. So on here, you can see these lines. It says max. It's right here. Okay, and then we're going to put our lid on here. Make sure it snaps. And we're just going to press this right down into this airlock. Now we're just gonna let it sit. How long are we gonna let this sit? We're gonna let this sit for about 21 days, and then we're gonna make our tomato bisque. So where are we gonna store it? In our pantry. Because of me, it's a mess. But you can see where I have other fermentation going on over there. I'm gonna put it down in that. See you in 21 days.